Well, hey guys, welcome back once again to Jack's Tech Hut. You know, I've been reading a lot and I've been playing around a little bit with Python, and I've been thinking about, is there other ways to program Python? Now, most of you may know, maybe you don't know, that I use VS Code, kind of a VS Code junkie. But in this particular video, I wanted to show you something different that comes with VS Code, or that comes with Python, that you don't have to install. It's very simple to use, and I was sitting here playing with it a little bit and I found some examples and I thought this would be cool to show all of you. Let's go ahead and get to the computer and get started. So we're going to go down to the start button, and what we're going to do is just scroll down here and we are going to look for Python. Now you may see our Python 3.8 installed, Python 3.10 and Python 3.11. We're going to go into 3.11, and there's an IDLE. Think of this as a light editor for Python. It's pretty cool, actually. So we're going to go ahead and open that up, and this is what it looks like on your screen. So I was like, well, this is pretty cool, but what would it do? What can it do? So I thought, let's make a little loop and see if it runs. So we'll do for I in range, and I'll do a range of, I don't know, 20. Okay, put my colon after it. Check this out. This is really cool. Hit enter. It automatically indents. It knows what the code is that you just typed, and if it needs indented, it will automatically indent it. And that is really, really important with Python. So now we're going to just simply click on print. And what we're going to print here is Jack's Tech Hut. And we'll close that off, closing bracket. Now if I hit enter once, I can enter more code. But I found if I hit enter twice, it runs the code. How cool is that? It just runs it. It knows that you want to run that block of code. Now, there's limitations with that, because if it runs, now can I add more to it, and would it run again? And I don't think that's the case. So here we'll just give it another simple print command. Print something new, and I'll hit enter twice. Well, I hit enter once and it printed something new. So it didn't wait for another command. So this is almost like if you're in the shell, you're obviously, that's what that is, right? It's just a shell. It's the same as if we opened up a command prompt. Let's try that. So if I hit enter, command, and if we're just in the command prompt here in Windows, and we type in Python, okay, Python's going to start up 3.11. That's good. And we're going to do that same basic command that I just wrote. Okay, so we're going to write in here for I in range, and we'll give it a range of 20. Hit enter. Oh, look, we see a problem with that. We can't do that. Oh, wait, it's expecting, I forgot to quote in, enter. It automatically indented it. That's what we thought it would do. And we'll do a simple print command. And we'll print in here new command. Hit, and we'll close that off. Close it off. Okay, we'll hit enter. We see there's a problem in there. Where did it go wrong? Print. It might be looking for double quotes in here. Usually I use single quotes. And it printed new command. It's looking for actual quotes, right? Not single quotes. So basically the IDE then is, or the IDLE is the same as running things in the command window. All right. See what else we have down here under the Python folder. Just out of curiosity, now I'm sitting here playing with this with you. All right, let's see what else we have here. We had that. We have Python 3.11, and I think this just opens up an actual command window. And it does. It's just running Python. But I thought it was kind of cool. Here's the next thing I think is really neat about this, though. If I go up under File, Turtle Demo. Okay, Turtle Demo. So if I go to Turtle Demo, I go to examples. Look at all these examples it has. I thought this was really cool. Look at tree. Once we load it up, here's the code that you're going to run, okay, on the left-hand side. Now this is all pre-built. I didn't do anything with this. But look, this small group of code, check this out. Hit start. It builds a tree. We can go back into examples. And there's another one called forest, which I thought was really cool. Again, not a lot of code. Start. You're building a forest. Now, if you've never used Turtle before, I've been teaching Turtle in my class lately, and we're using it as a base point for, basically learning how to use Python with a visual experience. And the students, it's been getting really positive feedback, and I've been really happy with that. So this is a nice way, I think, that you can use this or use it for your students and actually have something to show them and make it really interesting. That you can do all this with a program called Turtle. I didn't look at Round Dance. Let's look at Round Dance. So again, all that is being built with a simple program that you could put in VS Code even, and it would be importing the Turtle library. And Turtle allows you to create these amazing visual effects. So I can't wait to show this to my students. I think they're going to really appreciate what they're learning even more, that they can do all this cool stuff with it if they try. You can stop it, we can clear it, close it, and bring this back up. All right, so thank you very much for watching this episode of Jack's Tech Hut. I hope you enjoyed it, and see what else we can bring you here down the road. Like, comment, and please subscribe to these videos. And in the comments below, let me know what you want to learn. What do you want to see here on Jack's Tech Hut? I have a lot of great ideas for a series of different videos, and I'm going to start putting those together very, very soon. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, remember, don't ever stop playing and don't ever stop learning about technology. It's going to take you a long, long way. I'll see you back here next time. Bye for now, everybody.